Hello, adventurers. We're about to embark on an unforgettable experience. Today we're soaring high above the breathtaking land of Mongolia. Get ready for a special view of this amazing country. Imagine endless sweeping landscapes. Picture green steppes that stretch on forever as far as the eye can see. Mongolia is a land full of surprises and natural wonders. We'll fly like eagles over mountains and deserts. We'll see crystal clear lakes and ancient ruins waiting to be discovered. Come on, let's begin our journey together and explore Mongolia from above. Our first stop is Ulaanbaatar, the vibrant capital city of Mongolia. From above, it's a fascinating mix of old and new. We can see colorful buildings and beautiful Buddhist temples everywhere. Modern skyscrapers stand tall against the bright blue sky. Look, that's Sukbatar Square, the very heart of the city. People gather here for festivals, events, and celebrations. We can even spot the famous Gandantegchinlen Monastery. It's a peaceful place with golden roofs shining brightly in the sun. Next, we journey southward, soaring above the endless expanse of the Gobi Desert, a truly immense sea of sand dunes that stretches as far as the eye can see. This is one of the world's great deserts, a place of extremes and surprises, where the landscape seems to go on forever, shaped by wind and time. From high above, the dunes ripple across the land like waves frozen in time, their crests and valleys sculpted by powerful winds. The patterns are mesmerizing, almost as if the desert itself is an ocean made of sand, constantly shifting and changing. The Gobi is a place of stark contrasts, harsh yet breathtakingly beautiful. Its rugged terrain is both unforgiving and awe-inspiring, with vast open spaces that make you feel small in comparison to nature's grandeur. When the sun rises or sets, it bathes the sand in a palette of vibrant colors, golds, reds, and deep oranges, transforming the desert into a living canvas. The light dances across the dunes, creating shadows and highlights that shift with every passing moment. If you look closely, you might spot a caravan of camels making their way across the dunes, their footprints leaving delicate trails in the sand. These animals are perfectly adapted to the desert's tough conditions. For centuries, camels have been the lifeline of the Gobi, carrying people and goods across vast distances. Mongolian herders rely on these remarkable creatures for transport, survival, and companionship in this remote wilderness. But the Gobi holds even more secrets beneath its surface. Did you know that millions of years ago, dinosaurs once roamed these very sands? The desert is famous for its rich fossil beds, where paleontologists have made incredible discoveries. If you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of ancient fossils hidden among the rocks, reminders of a prehistoric world that still echoes through the Gobi's silent, windswept landscape. Our journey begins as our drone soars northward, carrying us over the breathtaking expanse of Lake Khövsgöl, one of Mongolia's most treasured natural wonders. The lake's surface glimmers in the sunlight, sparkling like a precious blue jewel set amidst the wild landscape. Its waters are so clear and pure that you can see deep beneath the surface, revealing a world of vibrant blues and greens. All around, dense forests and gently rolling hills embrace the lake, creating a peaceful sanctuary that feels untouched by time. The trees sway softly in the breeze, and the hills stretch out as far as the eye can see. This pristine region is a haven for wildlife. Reindeer roam freely through the forests, sharing their home with foxes, wolves, and countless species of birds. The area's rich biodiversity makes it a vital part of Mongolia's natural heritage. The air here is incredibly clean and fresh, carrying the scent of pine and wildflowers. On misty mornings, the lake is shrouded in a gentle fog, creating a magical, almost otherworldly atmosphere. From above, we can almost feel the deep tranquility that fills this place. The stillness of the water and the quiet of the surrounding wilderness invite us to pause and simply breathe in the serenity. For the Mongolian people, Lake Khövsgöl is much more than just a beautiful landscape. It is a sacred place, woven into their culture and daily lives. Families gather by its shores, herders bring their animals to drink, and stories are passed down through generations. As the sun sets or rises over the deep blue waters, the lake transforms into a scene of breathtaking beauty. It's no wonder the locals call it the Dark Blue Pearl, a name that captures both its mystery and its magnificence. Our final stop on this incredible journey is Terelj National Park, located just a short drive from the bustling city of Ulaanbaatar. Nestled in the heart of Mongolia, this park is a true natural wonder, offering a peaceful escape from city life. Terelj National Park has something for everyone, whether you're an adventurer, a nature lover, or simply looking for a quiet place to relax. The park's vast landscape stretch as far as the eye can see, inviting visitors to explore its beauty. All around we see incredible rock formations, some of which are naturally shaped like animals. These ancient stones have been sculpted by wind and weather over thousands of years, sparking the imagination of everyone who visits. The park is also famous for its lush green meadows where herds of horses graze peacefully. Watching these majestic animals roam freely across the open fields is a truly unforgettable sight, and it's easy to see why this landscape has inspired so many stories and legends. One of the most iconic sites here is Turtle Rock. This massive stone formation is a beloved landmark, drawing visitors from all over the world who come to marvel at its unique shape. When you see it up close, it really does look just like a giant turtle resting on the hillside. It's a perfect spot for photos and a must-see for anyone visiting the park. Terelj National Park is also a paradise for hikers and explorers. There are countless trails winding through forests, meadows, and rocky outcrops, each offering its own breathtaking views and hidden surprises. As we wander through the pine forest, we can almost smell the crisp, fresh air and the scent of pine needles. The peaceful atmosphere and stunning scenery make Terelj National Park a place you'll never forget.